Hello, this is Mike from Revs West in Torquay. Today we've got a Volkswagen Transporter in the workshop, a T5.1, and it has come in for the DNX5190DABS. So here it is installed in the vehicle. So this is a Garmin navigation unit. It also has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So here is my phone hooked up now. So that gives you access to Spotify, Google Maps, Amazon Music, YouTube Music, etc. There's that one there. Let's have a look at the navigation. Alright, so that's the inbuilt Garmin nav. We've also got a digital radio, so DAB, and the usual FM and the Bluetooth hands-free and audio streaming. There's that one there.
Home time with Bush and Richie.